Good day, everyone. So, I am here to report about the Latin thread theory. I am Mary Ann Radin, the one to discuss about this topic. So, first, ano ba ang gintatawag nga latent thread theory? So, when we say latent, it is something hidden nga personality characteristics sa usa nga tawo. So, in this topic, mas mababaroan naton kung ano ba ang latent thread theories, ano an may daha latent thread theories. Criminology is an area to study about concerned with crime and criminal behavior. Criminologists often seek to propose theories to explain why people commit crimes. One such theory is latent threat theory, which suggests that criminals have a certain stable personality characteristic that drives them to commit crime. So, in criminology, may mga amoy ni an area kun din nag-i-study about ang mga crimes, criminal behavior, and so on. So, ang mga criminologist is nagkokonherahan theories na nag-i-explain kaya ano sa mga tao nagko-committing crime. So, usahan mga theories adto is an latent threat theory, which suggests that an usa kuno nga tao or ang criminal is madaya certain stable personality characteristics nga nagkakos kung kano yan naghihimo usang crime. Under latent threat theory, these traits do not prompt someone to commit crime indiscriminately. An opportunity for crime must present itself before the traits manifest and push the individual to follow through on criminal impulses. So, like other theories of criminal intent, latent threat theory seeks to provide a reason for crime. The theory states that certain people have a personal characteristics that's responsible for their need to commit crime. The individual is often not responsible for what they do because their impulses are controlled by this specific trait. So, like other theories of criminal intent, ang latent threat theories is nagahatag rason han usa nga crime. So, ini nga theory is nagkokaniya nga ano sa nga tawo is may personal characteristic nga responsible han ira ginhimo nga krimen or crime. So, the individual is often not responsible for what they do because their impulses are controlled by this specific trait. So, ano sa nga tao is diri responsible kung ano man ay nahimo kay tungod ginko control inihiyan han ini nga specific trait which is an latent trait. So, also, the individual does not commit crimes unless there is opportunity. So, which is true. An usa nga tawo diri magko-commit crime kun wara hiya motive, wara hiya opportunity, ngan wara hiya capability nga maghimo ito nga crime. This means that unless the individual is secure in the fact that they will be successful, they will not commit crime. So, the trait only prompts the individual to crime when the environmental conditions are right. So, ang ibig sabihin nini is ano sa nga tao diri magkukumitin this means that unless the individual is secure in the fact that they will be successful, they will not commit crime. So, that trait only ang latent trait is na bagan nagawas la if an crime is ano sa nga tao nagko-commit crime when the environmental conditions are right. So, bagahan ano sa nga kunyara ano sa nga tao magko-commit crime diri ito niya mahimo unless ano sa nga environmental nga ay kakadtuan is diri maupay or waray rason para mag-commit hiyahan crime. So, latent threat theory, unlike other criminal theories, is unconcerned with the changes in the environment or circumstances. So, latent traits are thought to be stable and unchanging once present in an individual, always waiting to make themselves manifest if an opportunity for crimes arises. So, unlike ibang mga theories sa criminal criminal theories is ang latent trait is diri yan nagkukuanhan pagbabaguhan han environment nga ang mga circumstances. So, ang latent traits are thought to be stable nga diri yan nagbabag-o once nga ang usa nga tawong magko-commit crime or ang criminal is always waiting to make themselves manifest kon ang usa nga ira himuon or ang usa nga crime nga era bubuhaton is may the opportunity nga himuon iton. So may da mga example han latent trait. So the best way to understand latent trait is theory is defined its component. Latent is an adjective that describes something that is hidden or has not yet manifested itself. So amoy na akong ginayakan kanina nga when we say latent, it is something that hidden yan. Diri pa yan na ma-manifest itself. A trait is a distinguishing characteristic of a personality. So, to summarize, a latent feature is a personality attribute that is concealed. So, essentially, if someone were to interact with an individual who possess such as latent trait, they would most likely notice nothing out of the ordinary. However, the trait would still cause behavioral changes pertaining to crime. So, ano sa nga tao if may interaction na usa nga individual nga may latent trait, they would most likely notice nothing out of the ordinary. So, however, the trait would still cause behavioral changes pertaining to crime. So, magiging behavioral agyap yan behavioral changes pertaining to crime lagyapan an kuanan usa nga tao if an ini nga trait is magiging behavioral changes pertaining to crime lagyapiya kay an when we say trait kasi amo ni ang nagdi-distinguish han ano sa personality characteristics han usa nga tawo. So what does trait theory explain? So latent trait theory seeks to explain why people commit crimes. It is one of many theories put forth by criminologists. It is a theory characterized by its emphasis on unchanging hidden personality traits that makes a person more likely to commit crime when given the opportunity. So, in other words, or in more definition of latent trait theories, amo iniya nag-explain latiya kay kung ano sa nga tao nagko-commit crime. So, pero aside hini nga theory, damo pa ang mga theories ang makakapag-explain nga kay kung ano sa nga tao nagko-commit crime. So, mag-focus kita latent trait theory. So, this theory characterized by its emphasis on unchanging hidden personality traits that make a person more likely to commit crime when given the opportunity. So, iniya theory is nagkukoniya kay iya ni gin-emphasis on diri nagbabago an hidden personality han usa nga tawo para mag-commit hirahin crime kung may dara opportunity. So, what are the differences between the latent trait theory and the general theory of crime? So, latent trait theory states that crime is caused by underlying personality traits that persist over a lifetime and are not impacted by environmental changes. So, ang latent trait theories kumbaga di ang katikangan pagkabata mo aada neto na imo suludan imo personality pero diri pa yan na nagagawas tungod kay diri pa or waray pa dahilan para gumawas ito ni imo hidden personality. Ngan nagkakosiya by underlying personality traits over a lifetime and are not impacted by environmental changes. So, kunwara animo paligid is animo environment is kadamang pagbabago. Ito niya latent trait theories is diri to nagbabago ngan diri to nawawara. Amo to ang latent trait theory. And general theory of crime naman is crime here on the other hand states that all crime is caused by lack of self-control. So, Ang general theory of crime naman is nagkukuha niya nga ang crime kuno is nagkukos siya tungod kay diri nakokontrolan usa nga tawo niya kalugaringon. This theory is not concerned with personality traits or with the environment. So ini nga general